Real numbers. The real numbers consist of the natural numbers, the whole numbers, the integers, the rationals, and the irrationals. Natural numbers you've known about forever. A 2-year-old knows about the natural numbers because they can count. Another name for the natural numbers is the counting numbers. If you just put 0 into the mix, then you have the whole numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are the whole numbers. And on the Venn diagram over here, you'll notice that the natural numbers is included inside the whole numbers. The integers just adds the opposites to the mix. So -5, -4, 0, 3, 5. Those are the integers. And again, you'll notice that the natural numbers are inside the integer bucket. Some of the numbers that are in between are the rational numbers. Rational numbers are fractions. They can be written like a fraction. We say it's a ratio of two integers, some number over another number, where A and B are those nice, neat numbers, the integers that we saw before. 2/3 is obviously rational. -3.5 can be written as -7/2. So -3.5 is -7/2. And 0.3 repeating is the same as 1/3. So repeating decimals, terminating decimals, and fractions are all rational numbers. Irrational numbers are in their own little bucket off to the side. They're not rationals. They don't fit inside this other container. They are numbers that have a decimal expansion that does not repeat. So you'll notice this number that we have here, 3.45455455, has a pattern, so you do know what comes next, but it is not rational because it can't be written like a fraction. Some other numbers that are irrational is square root of 2 and pi and e are irrational. Now, all together, if we put these numbers together in the same bucket, all the rationals and the irrationals, these are all the real numbers, and they make up the whole number line. You started with the number line when you were in grade school, but they only told you about a few of the numbers that were on it. The rationals are in here, and the irrationals are in here. And together, they make up that whole number line.